Animals with horns come in various shapes and sizes, showcasing unique adaptations that help them survive in their environments. Some animals use their horns for defense, while others rely on them to establish dominance during mating rituals or battles with rivals. Horns can signify strength and maturity in animals, often playing a crucial role in social hierarchies within species. Horns are not only used for protection, but also serve as a means of attracting mates, demonstrating the health and vitality of the individual.